Alright, we're back with another video. Today we've got the Galaxy 95T2, and I kind of already featured this one on the Facebook page, but this is one we're going to be, as you see, it's on YouTube now also. This radio is one that sent it to me. A guy just bought. He never got a chance to hook it up or anything, and he wanted me to go through it before he did anything with it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make a video today of going through this radio and showing first a before video. So here's the before.
Hello, radio's hacked. Hello, hello, hello.
It's hacked. If we open the span up here, where we can see a bigger window, let's see, we'll say 500 kilohertz. You can see the spikes.
Hello, 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 hello.
Now this is what I want to show you guys. All this hackery that's being done on this radio, on these radios today, these NPC mods, swing kits, and all this bullshit, it's not doing you a bit of good. If you watch the oscilloscope, which reads in dBs, and we could do a dB conversion on this thing, but this one, I'm pretty sure, I haven't really got into it yet. I ain't cracked screws on it yet. But the modulation limiters have all been clipped. And if you watch up here, your center frequency spike right here.
Hello.
If you watch the amplitude, it actually goes down. So this radio is actually swinging. Will be swinging back on the average side, RMS side of a meter. So you watch this. Here's the forward.
Hello. Oh, that's the average. Hello.
Swinging down, and that is represented. That is represented here.
Hello.
On the oscilloscope. On the spectrum analyzer. Now, if we want to see how real nasty this thing is, we'll go out to 2 megahertz per division. And you can see the spikes. This thing is just disgusting. Wasted power.
Hello.
Watch the center spike go down. And watch your the harmonics go up.
Hello. Hello.
I mean, it's junk watts. It's doing nothing. Yeah, it's showing 280 watts on the peak side of the meter, but it is absolute junk. It is junk watts. It is doing nothing for you. But we're going to fix that. So anyway, we're going to turn the video off or pause the video now, and we'll be back in a few when we get done with the transmit side, and then we're going to work on the receive side as well. Okay, we're back. Real quick, we're going to show you the transmit side. We've got it lined out. About several hours have passed. But anyway, we're going to, basically we're on channel 20. And we got the variable all the way down. Variable all the way down. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio, check, check. Now we're looking at the same 50 kilohertz span we were looking at originally. We're looking good on the spectrum analyzer. As you can see, when I talk up here at the peak, you got little lines that go up. It ain't going down. They're going up. That means we're moving forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuned properly. We'll roll the variable all the way up now. I'm going to reset the reference on the scope. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, radio. Running just a touch over 100% modulation. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, with the variable all the way up, we're on a 500 watt slug. keying about 45 watts. 45 to 50, almost 50. And we're forward modulating to 190. On the average side, hello, 1, 2. Doing a hair over 50. So, like I say, that's tuned. I can do a little close proximity with the TS2000 on AM here.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio check, check. This is the Galaxy 95 T2. Working on the AM side. No more hackery. No more hackery. Sounding good, sounding good.
Okay, so now we can, I had to, well, I had to totally bump that when I stood up. So anyway, let me run down here to lower sideband. Lower sideband. Lower sideband. We'll see what she does on lower sideband.
Hello, CQ.
Let me turn down the radio just a little bit.
Hello, CQ. This is Smokin Joe working this 95 T2. Hello, DX Land. Smokin Joe working the 95 T2, getting on down.
Yeah, we'll work on our sideband lingo, but anyway.
Hello, CQ. As you can hear, the 95 T2 sounds great on sideband. Should have turned the echo back off, but anyway, 95 T2 on sideband, rocking the sideband side. I'm getting down. I'll see you.
So anyway, I would get you boys. I'm an old AMer. You guys would kick me off the sideband side if I did that, I guess. But I guess I could turn the Roger beep on. It'd been really annoying. But anyway, we got the transmit side of this booger going. Got it done. And so now we're gonna move on to the receive, and I'm gonna set this thing up on the cyanide meter and the distortion meter. Set this sucker up on the big Hewlett Packard machine up there, and we'll be back. We're back real quick. We've got the 95 T2. We've got the receive, the audio hooked up to the scope, and we've got the Hewlett Packard hooked up. And we're running the signal, you see the amplitude, negative 109.0. At negative 109, we've got no meter deflection. So really that's not bad, but when we get done with this radio, it's going to be up around negative 120 dB. So that just gives you an idea. So we'll be back, and we're going to leave this. I'll put the reference on the scope. So basically, what we're going to do is, just to explain why I'm leaving, is I'm going to align the receive the way it is. And then I'm going to do another test and show you guys where we're at. And then I'm going to do my receive upgrades, realign, and then I'll show you the after the receive upgrade. So it's like a 3 or 4 part video, but anyway, bear with me, we'll be back. Okay, and we're back, and as you can see earlier, now our amplitude is at negative 120 dB, and we can plainly hear the tone signal, whereas before at 112 we couldn't hear it. So that's pretty impressive. Let's see where we fall out at. You can still slightly hear the tone. Let me go back up. Hear the tone? You can still slightly hear it. We're at negative 127. Actually, I'm at negative 131. And it's in there. Negative 131. So, we'll be right back. We're going to actually do a cyanide test, and we'll be right back. Alright, and we're back with the 95 T2. We've done all our receive upgrades. We're going to roll this back up to 112, where our tone was falling out before. So there's negative 112. Actually, that's 113. That's where our tone was falling out before. It was negative 112, but we're going to take it down. We're going to see, and you'll hear the static come up as we go down. About 129, and negative 129 is where you can start to detect that tone. Right there's negative 126. You can hear it good. Negative 127. So anyway, we're going to conclude the test here, guys. We just want to let you know what that means is this guy's going to be hearing stuff that other people just ain't hearing. We better than improve the receive more than 10 dB. So all the upgrades were well worth it. So anyway, this concludes our custom build of a 95 T2 re-overhaul, realignment, full overhaul, retune, proper tune-up, and now we've included all the receive upgrades. This radio is now performing as good as or better than some of your high-dollar HF rigs. So if this looks like something I can do for you, I'm going to tell you right now, it's not cheap to get it all done. It's about a 5 to 6 hour job to make one perform like this, but it's well worth it, especially if it's a radio you're going to keep. So y'all can hit me up and we'll go from there. So anyway, got some cool stuff coming up. As always, y'all stay tuned, and we'll catch you next time. Be safe, be careful, be kind. We'll catch you next time. Bump, bump. Thank you for your time.